What it does. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, dev, and IT operations, ops, to improve the speed, quality, and reliability of software releases and deployments. It aims to bridge the gap between these two teams by promoting collaboration, automation, and monitoring. To set up a DevOps workflow using Git, Docker, and Jenkins, we will go through the following steps. Step 1. Setting up Git for version control. What it does. Git is a version control system that helps you track changes in your code base. It allows multiple developers to collaborate on a project by creating a centralized repository. Command/example. Breaking it down. Git init creates a new Git repository in the current directory. Git add stages all files in the current directory for the next commit. Git commit m initial commit commits the changes with a meaningful message. Git remote add origin links the local repository to a remote repository. Git push u origin master pushes the changes to the remote repository and sets the upstream tracking information. Common mistakes. Forgetting to commit changes before pushing to the remote repository. Not setting the upstream tracking information, which can cause issues when pulling changes from the remote repository. Try this next. Try creating a new branch, making some changes, and then merging the branch back into the master branch. Pro tip. Use Git status to check the status of your repository and Git log to view the commit history. Step 2. Setting up Docker for containerization. What it does. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to package your application and its dependencies into a single container. This ensures that your application runs consistently across different environments. Command/example. Breaking it down. From Python 3. 9 Slim sets the base image for the Docker file. Workdir/app sets the working directory to /app. Copy requirements. Text. Copies the requirements file into the working directory. Run pip install R requirements. Text installs the dependencies. Copy. Copies the application code into the working directory. Expose 8000 exposes the port that the application will use. cmd Python, app. Py sets the default command to run when the container is launched. Common mistakes. Not setting the working directory correctly. Not exposing the correct port. Try this next. Try building the Docker image and running a container from it. Pro tip. Use Docker PS to list all running containers and Docker logs to view the logs of a container. Step 3. Setting up Jenkins for continuous integration and deployment. What it does. Jenkins is a continuous integration and deployment CI/CD tool that automates the build, test, and deployment of your application. Command/example. Breaking it down. sudo apt update updates the package list. Sudo apt install default JDK installs the default JDK. ugitqo, https://pkg. Jenkins. io/debian/jenkins. io. Key sudo apt key add, adds the Jenkins repository key. Sudo shc echo deb https://pkg. Jenkins. io/debian stable binary / etc /apt /sources. List. d/Jenkins. List adds the Jenkins repository. Sudo apt install Jenkins installs Jenkins. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins starts the Jenkins service. Common mistakes. Not installing the required plugins. Not configuring the Git repository and Docker image correctly. Try this next. Try creating a new Jenkins job that builds and deploys your application. Pro tip. Use Jenkins CLI to manage Jenkins from the command line and Docker Compose to manage multiple Docker containers. Step 4. Integrating Git, Docker, and Jenkins. What it does. Integrating Git, Docker, and Jenkins allows you to automate the build, test, and deployment of your application. Command/example. Breaking it down. Pipeline. Defines the pipeline. Agent any specifies the agent that will execute the pipeline. Stages. Defines the stages of the pipeline. Stage, build. Defines the build stage. Docker build tmyapp. Builds the Docker image. Stage, test. Defines the test stage. Docker run tmyapp python munitist discover runs the tests. Stage, deploy. Defines the deploy stage. Docker tag myapplatest myregistry / myapplatest tags the Docker image. Docker push myregistry / myapplatest pushes the Docker image to the registry. Common mistakes. Not defining the pipeline correctly. Not specifying the correct Docker image and registry. Try this next. Try running the pipeline and verifying that the application is deployed correctly. Pro tip. Use Jenkins CLI to manage Jenkins from the command line and Docker Compose to manage multiple Docker containers.